What's up guys, welcome to this new episode. So if you have some orders on Temu that you need to track, you've landed on the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to track your orders on Temu for delivery updates. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before going any further, I would recommend that you update your Temu app to get the latest features in the tracking process. Okay, so to do this, you just want to go to your Google Play Store and search for Temu, just like so, and then you want to click on this update button here to update Temu to its latest version. All right. So after you're done updating your Temu app, it is time to track your orders on Temu. Okay, so to track your recent orders on Temu, you just want to sign into your account, or you open the app and then you go to the accounts to your orders tab. Okay, your orders tab is located at the when you click on the U section at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you will see this your orders just there. So just click on this your orders, and from there you should be able to view your orders details. Okay, you have a screen that shows all the orders that you've played, and in turn it can be categorized into orders that are processing, shipped, delivered and returning. So it is good you know that you can only track orders that are already in the shipping process. Okay, you can't track orders that are processing. All right, you can only track Temu orders that are shipping. So in the your order section, you just want to click on the order that you want to track. You click on the thumbnail or on the image of the order that you want to track and proceed to the next step. Okay, you should see a track button that shows up when you click on that image just there. Okay, so this track button is going to let you have an idea of when your order should arrive at your doorstep. Okay, so you can see from the example on the screen right now, the tracking button has led us to the delivery service that process, or the shipping service that process this delivery, which is the USPS, the United States Postal Service, and they are the ones that are handling this order. Okay, just below that you should see the tracking number, which you can copy and use to track on third-party tracking sites. And if you come to the interesting part of this, we're going to see that the tracking process starts from the order shipped. As I said earlier, you can only track orders that are being shipped and not in the processing stage. So you see it already begins from the order shipped, and then the next step will be the awaiting shipment. The other one is going to be order is being packed, and the other one will be order paid successfully, and the fifth tracking step is going to be the order submitted, which is when the order has already been submitted. All right, so if you need to get even more details about this your shipment, or about your order, your Temu order, you can copy the tracking number and track it through third-party tracking sites. I'm going to drop some links or some resources to this third-party tracking sites in the video description, so you can check them out. So that's just how you get to track your recent orders on Temu. It is as easy as that and has no hassling steps. And in case you didn't pick up everything right in this tutorial, I've provided a step-by-step guide in the video description that you can check to get a complete overview and a complete process of these tracking steps. Okay, so we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell down below to not miss any coming content from us. So I catch you in the next episode.